Welcome to Python Tutorial, Lesson 25. Today, we learn context managers and the with statement. They handle resource cleanup automatically. A context manager sets up a resource and guarantees cleanup when done. It needs $enter to set up and $exit to tear down. If an error occurs, $exit still runs. Let us create context_basics.py. The with statement opens a file, writes 2 lines, then closes it automatically. No need to call close yourself. Timer is a class-based context manager. $enter records the start time and returns self. $exit calculates elapsed time and prints it. The with block times how long it takes to sum a million numbers. $exit runs when the block finishes. Self.div catches zero division error in $exit and returns true to suppress it. Returning true means the exception does not propagate. Dividing by 0 would normally crash, but self.div catches it. The program continues safely after the with block. Let us review the code with BAT. Now let us run the code. The file writes and reads back correctly. Timer shows the elapsed time for the sum operation. Self.div catches division by 0 and the program keeps running. That is the power of $exit returning true. Writing a full class for every context manager is verbose. The context manager decorator turns a generator function into a context manager with just yield. Suppress silently catches specific exceptions. Let us create contextlib.suppress.py. This timer uses the context manager decorator. Code before yield runs on entry, code after yield runs on exit. Much simpler than a class. Using the timer is identical to the class version. The yield pauses the generator while the with block runs. Change_dir saves the current directory, switches to the new one, yields, then restores the original. This guarantees you end up back where you started. Nesting context managers is straightforward. Here, outer wraps inner, and both timers report their elapsed time. The suppress function from contextlib silently catches specific exceptions. If the error does not match, it still raises normally. We suppress file not found error for the missing file and key error for the missing dictionary key. Let us review the code with that. Now let us run the code. The generator timer works just like the class version. Change dir switches to TMP and restores the original path. Both nested timers report correctly. Suppress silently catches both file not found error and key error. Our mini project builds a resource management system. We create context managers for a database, a logger, and transactions. Nesting them shows how real applications manage multiple resources safely. Let us create resource_manager.py. The database manager prints a connect message, yields the connection dictionary, then disconnects on exit. Yield is the key. It splits setup from teardown. The file logger opens a file for writing, yields the file handle, then closes it. Same pattern. Setup, yield, cleanup. The transaction manager wraps yield in a try except. If the code succeeds, it commits. If an exception occurs, it rolls back. Step 1 uses a single database connection. The with block connects, prints the status, and disconnects automatically. Step 2 nests database and logger together. Both resources open, the logger writes a message, and both close in reverse order. The successful transaction inserts an order and commits. No exception means the try block completes normally. The failing transaction raises a value error. The accept block catches it and prints rolled back. The database still disconnects cleanly. Cleanup verification checks the connected flag. Inside the with block, it is true, but after exiting, it becomes false. Let us review the full code with BAT. Now let us run the resource manager. Each context manager connects and disconnects as expected. Nested resources close in reverse order. The failed transaction rolls back cleanly, and cleanup confirms the connection is closed after exiting. Let us recap context managers. The with statement handles setup and cleanup. Dunder enter and dunder exit define the protocol. The context manager decorator simplifies everything. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we cover regular expressions.